Hello folks, this is Dr. Grinnell. I just wanted to give you a very quick tutorial on recording a video in PowerPoint. A couple of you folks have asked for that. So if you need to take an extra day in order to get this done, that's perfectly fine. You are welcome to use any software that is available that creates MP4 videos. However, one that is good and it's gotten a lot better in the last few years is right there in PowerPoint. In order to record an MP4 in PowerPoint, you go to the Recording tab, or, by the way, the Slideshow tab also has similar functions in it, and then you just record slideshow. What you get is this picture here, and you can see this is me and something else in the corner. The recording is very simple. It's up in the top left, record, stop, and play. You may, if you choose, put yourself into the video in the bottom right, as I'm showing there. It's this little icon that's at the bottom right. You are not required to do that for this assignment. But if you think it will add interest or it will be beneficial to show it, then by all means. If not, then just click on that so that you don't show up. If you don't like your recording, all you have to do is hit this X. You can stop the recording on a particular slide, or you can stop the recording or erase the recording for the entire time that you're there. And then when you're done with it, you just click on the X here. And you can, by the way, you can record one slide at a time and then just stop, go to the next slide and do that, or you can keep going. It doesn't matter to when you save it as an MP4, it's just going to save it as one continuous one, so you can record each slide, which allows you to make corrections very easily. Once you've finished recording on each individual slide, or recording all the way through, then you need to export it to video, which is right there. When you export it to video, you will get this export screen that comes up, and there's several ways to get to it. You can also do it by just going to the File menu and clicking on Export, and decide whether you want it in high definition or if it's okay, especially if it's going to be viewed on the internet. You can have it in a lower resolution and it's a little bit smaller. I don't recommend you use recorded timings and narration, just ignore that. And then just go and click Create Video. Now when it comes there, it'll say record it or save it as an MPEG file, which I had to make sure that it actually recorded and saved it as an MP4 so that we could play it, and it does that. It's just two different names. There is a difference there, but it's subtle, and it doesn't make a difference in PowerPoint. Once you've completed recording and saving it as an MP4, then you can post the video in a discussion board. There are some size limitations to how big of a file that you can upload. If it happens to be too large, you may need to save it in online in the cloud in Google Docs, and then save it or post that link in the discussion board. When you do that, make sure you share it. You're also welcome to upload it to YouTube if you would like. And we have a YouTube channel, but again, when you do that, make sure that you share it so that the rest of us can take a look at it. If you have any questions, please let me know.